In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a young Jedi Knight named Kael. Kael was known for his bravery and kind heart. One night, as he slept under the stars, he dreamt of a great adventure. In his dream, Kael found himself on a mysterious planet, surrounded by towering trees and glowing flowers. A wise old Jedi Master appeared, beckoning Kael to follow him. "I have a quest for you, young Jedi," the Master said. "A dark force has taken over a nearby village, and the people are in trouble. You must help them." Kael nodded bravely and followed the Master. Along the way, they encountered strange creatures and faced challenging obstacles. But Kael used his Jedi powers to overcome them all. Finally, they reached the village. The people were afraid and desperate, but their faces lit up when they saw Kael. He used the Force to drive away the dark force and restore peace to the village. The people thanked Kael with tears of joy, and the village flourished once more. Kael returned to his own galaxy, feeling proud of his accomplishments. As he woke up, Kael realized it had all been a dream. But he knew that one day, he would be ready to face real challenges as a Jedi Knight. He closed his eyes and drifted back to sleep, dreaming of more adventures in the galaxy. The end. 98 sentences.